Okay, I composed myself, guys. I was a little bit upset about what I saw, but it's okay. So let's just go through what's in the box, shall we? Let's have a look. Okay, first out, this is a new one. This one's called Easy Living Pale. It's a session ale, and it's 4.3% AB. What's this, Bodie man? Okay, this one's called Key Lime Lager. 4.8% lager. It's something they drink in the UK. Okay, what's this one, Bodie man? My personal favourite is the Club Tropica. It's spelled club. It's the Welsh way. Wales is a country in the United Kingdom, connected to England, Scotland, and Ireland. What else we got? I think that's them all now. I think we've. What's the orange one, Bodie man? Pass me the orange one, Bodie man. And the fourth variety on the box is Shakedown. It's a 4.5% mango Vermont ale. And that's it, guys. I'll make another video after I've drunk all the beers, and that'll be fun.